Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating a clean rig, import your character, and set the composition to 30 FPS for smooth motion. Move the anchor to the pelvis, then isolate a hip layer so you can animate without deforming the whole body. Once done, create a null object called hip control and parent the hip layer to it. This gives you a single control point. Make sure layer order and pivot positions are precise so later keyframes reflect real-world hip movement rather than accidental offsets. Now you create the actual sway. On hip control, place keyframes for position and rotation at 0s, 1/4, and 1/2 second, forming a gentle S-curve. Apply ease in and ease out to smooth transitions, and introduce subtle rotation around plus or minus 6 degrees while lifting the hip by about 0.5 to 1 pixel to mimic weight shift. Once you have the basic cycle, duplicate it and offset by a few frames so the motion loops without robotic repetition. This variation finish by adding secondary actions. Counter-rotate the torso slightly and nudge leg layers with tiny timing offsets so momentum reads correctly. Pre-compose the rig and convert the hip animation into a looping cycle using trimmed key repeats or time remap for seamless playback. Make sure to preview at final FPS. If you see jitter or snapping, smooth the motion curves and reduce rotation amplitude. Double-check anchor positions and the hip control parenting to eliminate sudden jumps. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.